Hey guys, I'm doing a fun little craft today, actually for Christmas, if you can believe it or not. It's right around the corner. I'm making a shiplap inspired ornament. So basically, I got most of my supplies from the dollar store. I'll show you what they are here.
So here's what you need. Both the 4x6 canvas and the popsicle sticks were from the Dollar Tree, and I had everything else on hand. So first step, you want to start by painting some of the popsicle sticks white. That's going to give you your shiplap background when you glue them to the canvas. Here's what it looks like when it's all glued on. I only did one coat of white paint on those two. To glue them on, I'm using DAP's Rapid Fuse all-purpose adhesive, which I love and I use all the time, as you guys know. So next you're going to take some more popsicle sticks and you're going to stain them. This is going to be a frame around the outside of the canvas, and I stained them just so it looks, it gives a little more contrast and it looks a little bit more like wood. To get the edges nice and straight there, I just cut them with scissors. It was actually really easy to cut popsicle sticks with scissors. Next, you'll just glue on that frame. And again, I'm using more of that DAP Rapid Fuse adhesive. And for the Rapid Fuse, you want to just hold it in place for 30 seconds and then it's set and good to go. All done with the frame there. And now I am using just a regular old Sharpie marker to write a saying. And of course, I wanted something shiplap related because that's what this ornament is all about. So I wrote, "All I want for Christmas is shiplap," but you can choose to write whatever you want. And then I just put a hanger on the back and secured it with some paper. And there we go, cute little ornament. You could also use this as just like a mini sign if you didn't want to put it on your tree. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I hope you guys do too. Be sure to check out these other videos and then hop over to makingmanzanita.com for lots more DIY tutorials. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.